Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you the simplest way to remake a game in Valorant on PC. Let's get started. A remake is only available at the start of a round. Here are the rules. You can request a remake if your team has one or more AFK players. It must be within the first round, usually before 1 to 2 minutes into the game. You cannot remake later round or just because your team is losing. During the first round, press ESC to open the pause menu. Look for the button that says vote to remake. If you see it, it means your team is eligible to start a remake vote. Click vote to remake. Your teammate will get a prompt to vote yes or no. For the remake to happen, the majority of your team needs to vote yes. Remember, it's designed to be fair. AFK or disconnected players won't block the vote. If the vote passes, the current game ends immediately. Nobody loses rank or XP from the match. You can leave and join a new match without penalties, and that's it. Now you know how to remake a game in Valorant on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.